Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use radio in the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here all you need to do is use the apps icon. From the following view, you can find here the DAB. Let's tap it, and this is the radio that you can use. So here you can do a couple of things. For example, you can check the signal. This is like the strong signal that you can use. You can use the scanning. The best one is comfort, because the car will automatically scan for the best and the strongest local station. Let's wait until the scanning will be complete. It's 65%, so it's almost done. It's 100. Okay, and now we've got the list of all available stations that you can use. Okay, we can here press next or press previous to go between stations. We can tap hard to add it to our favorites. Then we can, for example, use this heart to see only our favorites. We can also use this menu to, for example, check out the categories. For example, pop music or the culture, or we can simply tap all. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.